So hey, welcome back to part 2. So yes, his little face is painted. And my camera's going to cut on me. Nope, did it. Good job, camera. So yeah, movements. All the way around. Little Esther out to the side. Hands can still do the holy hand thing. Body pops off in the center. Legs could go forward for sitting. Standing, and somewhat out to the side for some of the splits. That's about it for the leg movement. The head does pop off. And now this guy being the astronaut, which, okay, I don't know how the heck they got this to be the astronaut, because right there on his chest was like another NiNJA thing. I want to say something like a cross between like this NiNJA and maybe Lego Ninjago ninjas. That's kind of what this kind of reminds me of. Somewhat more Lego Ninjago. Yeah, I know. Type of ninja. But this one comes with a visor that goes up and down. So, open and closable visor. With our removable helmet. This one got the glass like fierce. He's like, why am I in space? Why do I look more like a ninja than a ninja? But here's the actual, official Lego minifitter. This being Legoless. I just popped this little hair off. So, are they comparable? Let's see. Hair goes on. Helmet goes on, so yeah. What about their body to be swapped around? Come on. Kind of hard to do two at once. Yes, you can. It's a little looser on the not off minifitter for the top because the bottom's a little bit looser, but it stays on. But with the finger, it pulls off easily. With these, you hear that more the snap sound. Not a bad snap, but like a Lego snap. And just make sure that his feet was facing the right way. Yeah, with the Lego minifitter kit front, not really too bad. Oh look, he can't do any splits. His arms can't go to the side. They're just up, down. Yes, they can hold weapon accessories, in their hands. So, pretty much everything a standard Lego minifigure could do, these guys could do. Except you're getting 2 of them for $1 at the dollar store. So yeah, this has been the unboxing review of MAKE-iT Blitz, CK brand, Astronaut, and NiNJA. Oh wait, forgot his little helmet. Yeah, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit that like button, and leave a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.